Hi, I am Aiden Patrick, and in this video I am going to describe you about how to control blood sugar with diet and natural remedies. Diabetes is a metabolic disease characterized by the body's inability to handle glucose. This can happen either because the pancreas does not produce insulin or because the amount of insulin is insufficient. In the absence of this hormone, the level of blood sugar goes out of control and raises a lot. Elevated blood sugar can lead to a series of severe complications, and diabetes can eventually be lethal if it is not treated properly. When the pancreas does not produce insulin at all, type 1 diabetes, patients need to take insulin constantly. In cases in which insulin is produced, but cells are resistant to it or its quantity is insufficient, type 2 diabetes, the blood sugar can usually be kept under control with adequate diet and healthy lifestyle. The above explanations are simplistic, but the bottom line is that patients with diabetes need to pay special attention to what they eat, drink, and do in order to control their disease. It might seem very complicated, and patients often believe that they will not have a normal life again. Fortunately, this is not true, because following some simple dietary guidelines and using the appropriate natural remedies can ensure health. Life does not have to change dramatically, and diabetic meals are not a nightmare, as many patients wrongly assume. In fact, as long as the diet is balanced and the foods are wisely combined, people with diabetes won't have to face great restrictions. It is very important to avoid foods which cause a rapid increase of blood sugar. Processed sweets, for instance, are quickly metabolized and the sugar in them reaches the bloodstream quickly. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, also release sugar in the blood, but this happens gradually and the body is not overwhelmed. Fats are also allowed as long as they come from healthy sources. A diet rich in fiber and protein is essential for people who suffer of diabetes. Foods need to be combined in a manner that won't cause a rapid increase of the blood sugar. It might be a very good idea for patients with diabetes to work with a nutritionist. They can ensure healthy and also tasty meals, and they will learn how to combine foods to help their body. It helps prevent complications and maintain overall health. Natural remedies are a great option for people who have to keep blood sugar within limits. There are various herbs which can help the body process glucose and can also provide relief from the symptoms of diabetes. Diazical capsules, for instance, are excellent in normalizing the blood sugar and also in avoiding potential complications triggered by diabetes. Diazical capsules support the functions of pancreas and liver, rejuvenate the body, and also keep triglycerides and cholesterol under control. Buy Diazical capsules from worldwideweb.darmanis.com.